Hello everyone, Rogue here, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Unnecessary Unboxing. That's right, we're doing another video of Unnecessary Unboxing, and today we got something special. So I went out to my gas station that I worked at, and I happened to find this one product that I keep seeing online. And if you haven't even read the title by now, we are reviewing or unboxing the MrBeast Feastables. So I brought two of these because why not try out the two flavors that I happened to see that were available at my place. Both of these were about $209 USD dollars. Somewhat pricey, but not too bad. So we're gonna see how these taste. Now, you either like it or you don't like it. And usually people who like are usually like a MrBeast fan, but there are people who like it. So we're gonna see if it's any good or not. So looking at the back, it says about 190 calories. Here's all the fancy smancy details, nutrition facts for all those geeks out there. And then the ingredients. So for the milk chocolate, it has milk chocolate, obviously, some milk powder, cocoa butter, unsweetened chocolate, soy, natural vanilla extract, and it contains milk, soy, may contain peanuts, tree nuts, wheat, egg, and sesame. So, without further ado, I guess we just go ahead and open this. I should have probably got a napkin. Oh, we do. Hopefully, this is sanitary. There we go. All right, let's open this to its full glory. Look at that! Oh, look, MrBeast right there, Feastable. So I figured I'll break a piece, and then we'll try the MrBeast peanut butter here in a second. So I'll go ahead and take a bite and give you my first impressions. So without further ado. While I still have you guys here, I know you can hear like some people blowing grass or something, but let me assure you, that's not people mowing grass and what have you. That's actually MrBeast Hit Squad taking out the people who hate the MrBeast Feastable. So my life is on the line as we speak. Okay. So, first impressions, it's not bad, very chocolatey, as suspected. Pretty good. Nothing much to say. It's pretty much a standard MrBeast milk chocolate. It's not bad, pretty good. Honestly, if I were to give it a rating, I think I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Pretty good. Nothing too special out there. It's not the greatest, but pretty good. Alright. Now for... oh, man. Oh. Shoot, did this get melted? Well, oh well. Here's the... well, what remains of the peanut butter. Was not expecting that. Did keep this in a cool area, so I guess something along the way happened to this. But let's try to carefully break one. This one looks good. Let's see. You can see I don't know if you can see, but you can see the little bit of the peanut butter. So I wonder how much peanut butter we'll be tasting out of this one. So, I guess I should, before I do that, I should cleanse myself with a drink, so that way my palate isn't tampered. Okay. With that being settled, all right, let me try the peanut butter of the Feastables going in. So a cross section of the peanut butter. All right. So for this one, it's not bad. You can somewhat taste the peanut butter. Maybe that's because of how much peanut butter is. Maybe it melted down. That's hard to say, but you can taste the peanut butter somewhat. But okay, well, there is a bit of an aftertaste after that, but it's not too bad. I think this is not too bad for a peanut butter chocolate. I'm gonna take another one. But overall, it's actually not too bad. They're just maybe this is the right amount. I mean, I could somewhat distinct it, but it feels like there isn't enough of the peanut butter for this chocolate bar. But for this one, I guess I give this also an 8 as well, or well, maybe a 7.5. Just only because I think that there could be a little more peanut butter. But with that being said, that was pretty much it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Hit the like button. Until then, I'll see you later. See ya.